What are villi? What is their location and function? Hanji beta, please, Anureed, please tell, answer, unmute yourself and tell.
Yes, ma'am. The inner walls of the small
Please tell, beta.
intestine have thousands of finger.
Can
The
you unmute
inner
yourself,
walls of
Anureed?
the small. Ma'am, I am on mute.
Perleen Kaur, please answer.
The inner walls of the small intestine have
Perleen
thousands
Kaur.
of finger-like outgrowths.
Ayush Tiwari. Perleen is ready. Okay.
Finger-like projection in the
But I can't hear you. You are.
wall of the intestine.
Your voice is not audible, my dear. Very good, beta. Boliye. Now tell. Second. Yes. Now tell. Perleen Kaur, can you answer?
The inner walls of the small
Okay. They are finger-like
Yes, ma'am.
outgrowths. They are finger-like
The
outgrowths.
finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine are called villi.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Finger-like outgrowths present on the inner lining of the small intestine in human beings is called as villi. You can get the answer on page number 17. Please open page number 17. ठीक है? So first one is you have to write down finger-like outgrowths. On the inner walls. Inner walls of small intestine human beings. All right. Now you have to tell what is its location. What is its location? ठीक है? Location कहाँ पर है उसकी? What is the location?
Small intestine.
Location is very good. Small intestine. Next part of the question is what is the function?
Increases the
Function of small intestine.
surface
Hanji, now I want Manya to answer. What is the function of small intestine? What is the function of small intestine?
मैम हमने फंक्शन ऑफ विलाई नहीं बताना है इसमें.
It increases surface area for absorption. Increases the surface area for absorption of absorbed nutrients. Absorption of digested food. ठीक है?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
साथ में आपने ये भी लिखना है absorbed nutrients are transported. Absorbed nutrients are transported through blood. Through blood. ठीक है? To various parts of the body.
मैम
Clear? Now you have to remember these are finger-like outgrowths on the inner walls of small intestine of human beings. Location is small intestine. Function जो है, it increases surface area for absorption of digested food. Absorbed nutrients जो है, they are transported through blood to various parts of the body. Very good. Next question देखिए. See the next question. Just a minute, beta. Where is bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Very simple it is. Very, very simple. Hanji, I want Manbir Singh to answer me. Manbir Singh.
Ma'am, bile juice is secreted from the liver.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Bile
It
is produced. आपने दो parts के कर देना आंसर को. Bile is produced in the liver, and what does it help to digest?
It helps to digest fats in the food.
Liver, and the second answer is fats. ठीक है ना? Next, name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. So this you have to, now someone else will tell me. I think Berlin can tell me. Berlin, please unmute yourself, beta.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Hanji.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Grass is a carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminants, but not by the human beings because grass is rich in cellulose. In ruminants, bacteria is present in the rumen, helps in digestion of cellulose. It cannot be digested by the human beings because bacteria is not present in the human beings.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. You have to write down first cellulose. Although you were not very much audible, beta. Cellulose जो है, it's present in grass. Cellulose जो है, it's present in grass. And grass जो है, it is digested by rumen part of the stomach. It is digested in human part of, please keep noting down, part of stomach. All right, it is digested there in rumen part of the stomach. What helps in digestion of cellulose? It is presence of cellulose digesting bacteria. Cellulose digesting bacteria, which helps in digestion of cellulose. अगर ये नहीं होंगे तो ग्रास जो है वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगी in the ruminants. All right, and then the bacteria, since these bacteria are absent in humans, absent in human beings, and therefore they cannot digest grass. समझ आ गई बात? बहुत सिंपल है. All right, it is very simple. I hope you understood, all of you. Cellulose जो है, it is the one which is present in grass. Cellulose grass में present है, जो कि digested in rumen part of the stomach. Presence of cellulose digesting bacteria जो है helps in digestion of cellulose. और क्योंकि ये ruminants में present है, वो digest कर लेते हैं. लेकिन these bacteria are absent in human beings and hence they cannot digest grass. All right, very good. Next देखिए question. See the next question. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Why do we get instant energy from glucose? I want Jay Aditya to answer me.
We get instant energy from glucose because glucose can
Beta,
easily
please
break
answer.
down in
Jay Aditya.
because glucose can easily break down in the cell with the help of oxygen and gives carbon dioxide, water and energy.
Can you repeat it for me, beta? Sorry, I was not able to hear you properly. अब बोलिए.
Because glucose can easily break down in the cell with the help of oxygen and gives carbon dioxide, water and energy.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा इसने. ग्लूकोज जो है एक सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट. Glucose is a simple carbohydrate. ठीक है, अगर सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट है तो ये आसानी से ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है. It is a simple carbohydrate. It is a simple carbohydrate, breaks down easily. ठीक है, breaks down easily. इसके प्रेजेंस में, in presence of oxygen, breaks down easily in the presence of oxygen. अब ये ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में ब्रेक डाउन होकर क्या देगा? It releases carbon dioxide, water and energy. Provides instant energy. ठीक है, it provides instant energy plus carbon dioxide and water. ठीक है, and thus glucose is used to get instant energy. All right, look at the next question. Look at the next question, all of you. I hope it is clear to you. Write one similarity. Nahin. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in first absorption of food? I want Mannat to answer me. Mannat. Mannat, not there. Vedha. Vedha Mehta. Please answer. Are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए बेटा.
Ma'am, small intestine.
Absorption of food in small intestine. Shabash. Next is chewing of food. Chewing of food. Berlin.
Ma'am, buccal.
Berlin. Is there any problem? You cannot unmute yourself, beta. No. Tanveer Singh Binning, please unmute and tell.
Ma'am, buccal cavity.
Shabash. Killing of bacteria. Shipra. Shipra.
Ma'am, stomach. Stomach.
Stomach. Complete digestion of food. Ridul. Mridul.
Ma'am, small intestine.
Shabash. Formation of feces. Ranjita.
Ma'am, rectum.
Rectum. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. दोनों में एक difference और एक similarity आपको बतानी है. तो पहले हम similarity discuss करते हैं. I want Sahajveer to answer me. What is the similarity? हम एक से ज्यादा करेंगे, ठीक है? Why to do only one? जल्दी से बताइए similarity. I had shown you also in the diagram. Tanveer, are you, Sahajveer, are you there to answer? And if you can't, Anji, boliye. There is so much disturbance on your end, beta. Anji, boliye. Can't say anything. Okay, then let me give you someone chance. I think Namanjot can answer. Namanjot, you are in fourth pink. Last आपको pink डालनी चाहिए. Who is Namanjot वैसे? By the way, please unmute. Please switch on your video. हाँ जी,
Bad impressions on the.
just a minute. Who is Namanjot?
Ma'am, I am Sahibjot.
It is Saibjot. Now, when you enter the class, you should write down your name. All right?
Ma'am,
Not your
written के
brother's
option
name.
नहीं है.
Before you enter, you can please contact your computer teacher for finding out how to do it. All right? So first similarity.
In amoeba and human beings, the process of nutrition involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion.
Both show, very good, both show all stages of nutrition. Both show all stages of nutrition. कौन से stages हैं? Different stages of nutrition. That is ingestion, followed by digestion, then absorption, then assimilation, and digestion. ये सारे के सारे steps जो हैं amoeba shows it like human being only. ठीक है? अब आ जाइए next. एक और कोई और similarity है? They have written one. We are writing both. Ranjita, can you tell me any other similarity? हाँ जी.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए.
Both secrete digestive juices to break down complex food molecules.
Okay. Both secrete digestive juices. Both secrete digestive juices during the process of digestion. During process of digestion. And release energy. दोनों को एनर्जी चाहिए ना? And release energy. Any other similarity? Anyone? Okay, third similarity.